Indian cuisine, 10 must-try dishes you can't miss. Hello, and welcome to Smart English Start. This is your go-to channel for learning English while exploring the world. In this special series, we're traveling across the globe to discover must-try foods from different countries. Today, we're heading to India, a country with a vast and diverse culinary heritage. From rich curries to aromatic rice dishes, Indian cuisine is a blend of bold flavors, spices, and centuries of tradition. Let's explore some of the most famous and delicious Indian dishes that you absolutely need to try. Theme 1. The Essence of Indian Cuisine. Indian cuisine is characterized by bold spices, vibrant colors, and diverse regional flavors. Spices such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala create the signature depth of flavor found in Indian food. Another key aspect of Indian cuisine is the balance of flavors. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and spicy elements come together in perfect harmony. Meals are often accompanied by flatbreads, rice, and chutneys, enhancing both texture and taste. Whether it's North India's rich curries or South India's light and tangy flavors, there's something for everyone in Indian cuisine. Theme 2. Famous Indian dishes and where to eat them. Butter chicken, a creamy tomato-based curry with tender marinated chicken. This iconic dish is best enjoyed in Delhi, where it originated. Biryani, fragrant basmati rice cooked with saffron, tender meat, and aromatic spices. Hyderabad is famous for its rich and flavorful biryani. Masala Dosa, a crispy fermented rice and lentil crepe filled with spiced potato mash. The best dosa experiences can be found in Bangalore and Chennai. Rogan Josh, a slow-cooked lamb curry rich in Kashmiri spices, best savored in the Kashmir region. Chole Bhature, a popular North Indian dish featuring spicy chickpea curry served with deep-fried bread. The best versions can be found in Delhi and Punjab. Pani Puri, a beloved street snack made of crispy hollow puris filled with tangy, spicy water and potatoes. Mumbai street vendors serve some of the most flavorful versions. Dal Makhani, a creamy and buttery lentil stew, traditionally slow-cooked overnight for a rich texture. It's a staple in Punjabi cuisine. Tandoori chicken, chicken marinated in yogurt and spices, cooked in a tandoor oven for a smoky, charred flavor. The best tandoori chicken is found in Amritsar. Samosa, deep-fried pastries filled with spicy potatoes and peas, a common street snack throughout India. They are especially popular in Mumbai and Delhi. Gulab Jamun Soft, fried milk dumplings soaked in sugar syrup, a must-try Indian dessert. This sweet treat is found in every corner of India. Each of these dishes represents a different aspect of India's incredible food culture, offering a mix of spice, comfort, and indulgence. Theme 3. Travel tips for food lovers. Explore vibrant food markets like Chandni Chowk in Delhi for authentic street food experiences. Try thali meals, which offer a variety of small dishes on one plate to experience multiple flavors in one sitting. If you love spice, ask for your food to be prepared extra spicy to experience authentic Indian heat. Always drink bottled water when eating street food to avoid digestive issues. Indian meals are often enjoyed with hands, especially when eating dishes like dosa or naan. Don't be afraid to try. Let's learn English through food. Great food is a reason to travel, and learning English can make that experience even better. If you ever visit India, don't miss the chance to try these incredible dishes. They tell a story of history, culture, and unforgettable flavors. And remember, the more you explore, the more you learn. So keep improving your English and get ready for your next food adventure. See you in the next episode, where we'll explore Thailand's delicious and aromatic cuisine, including the famous pad thai and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.